according to the recent circumstances of Area 51, we will be discontinuing the Area 51 project, and we'll be sending SWAT teams, military, and special forces to recontain this sudden threat. Please alert the President if he is in the area to evacuate immediately. That is all. The Department of Defense has declared Area 51 and the northern and central states of Nevada as lost. We are alerting the public in Las Vegas, cities in California, cities in Utah, and in Oregon to evacuate, as these potential threats could and most likely will get more dangerous and spread. We will be keeping a close eye on these things as they continue to spread. If you are in Nevada, leave immediately. This is our last message for Nevada. Good luck.